Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at Nothing OS 3.0 Open Beta 1, which is based on Android 15 on our Nothing Phone 1. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at it. So guys, this is the Nothing Phone 1, as you can see, and this is the Nothing OS 3 Open Beta. So first let's go into about phone. As you can see, a big header here, Nothing OS 3. Then down here you have all the specs and Android version 15. As you can see, Android 15 this is the Easter egg for Android 15. Going back, we get November security patch, which is not the latest. This is I think it should be December, but yeah, they'll provide updates, maybe the open beta 2 and all, maybe in January. It's not a monthly update, it's still in testing, so yeah, we might get some new beta updates before the stable is rolled out to the Nothing Phone 1. So guys, this Nothing OS 3 Open Beta 1 brings a lot of useful updates and new UI improvements to the Nothing Phone 1. Now the first one is the lock screen. As you can see, this lock screen clock, you can customize the clock, and also these lock screen widgets, you can customize that too. We also have a message on the lock screen. I hope it was like previously available. So for that you have to first move into settings, go to lock screen, and as you can see you have a quick look, and we have to enable weather and schedule. Now you have to go back, add text on lock screen. I hope it was previously available. It's just a basic feature. Now go into customization. Here as you can see the lock screen, and you can customize the widgets too. If you want to just add more widgets, you can expand the widget area, but the clock becomes really short, like no one cares about the clock on the widget on the lock screen that much. So if you are that kind of a person, you can add some more widgets. As you can see, these are all the widgets which are available. There is one more countdown widget that will be available later with the Nothing widgets update that you will find, and this is the UI, the new UI, Android 15 UI of this customization screen. These are the wallpapers, and hopefully wallpapers are just the same. You can also create wallpapers for using AI. So yeah, if you are that kind of into that, you can just go. And yep, that was it for the lock screen stuff. Now Nothing is also trying to copy Apple. I don't want to say that I love Nothing, but we have something new here, this smart beta, and this will automatically categorize your apps into folders. So this is how it looks, and it really looks ugly to me. I mean, I'm not a fan of how iOS looks, so for me this is the ideal app drawer, and yeah, this is suitable for me, even if it looks really cluttered and all dirty, and maybe it's like cramped up. It is just better to see through my eyes. But maybe some people like the folder version better because easy to categorize and easy to find apps of that category. So yeah, if you are one of that, you can just go and try that smart beta thing feature, and that will categorize your apps into specific folders. Also guys, as you can check, the settings UI has also changed, and as you can see, total categorization has been done, different categories. It's not titled like it is in Samsung's One UI with the Android 15, but yeah, that's how it is. I think Samsung has it on their Android 14 versions too, the One UI 6.1.1, the categories, titles and all. But yeah, here in Android and Android 15, when like we have this special customization, this is the customization, this is the main system stuff, this is all the extra features, and this is the main about phone and system. So this is how it is categorized, network and connections. So that's what I mean. Just add a short title so that it looks better. Like this is also clean and all, like just minimal, but yeah, that would look better for some maybe older people. For youngsters like me, this is a total clean and minimal look of the settings UI. As always, Android does that. Now some newer additions to the special features. If you go inside, we have experimental features, and we have dot matrix title for setting style. So as you can see, the nothing dot matrix title, nothing dot matrix font has been applied to the settings titles. So yeah, all the titles will be changed. Okay, this is also, so this looks good, like adding the nothing dot style to the UI, which is also specifying that this is a nothing phone. Obviously this is a nothing phone, and it does not require that. But yeah, another new feature is pop-up view, and there is some new customization in here. So yeah, let's just use this settings UI. So if you do this, go to the recent pop-up view, and as you can see, get this new pop-up view. Just double tap or just single tap, whatever it's simple. And you can also just minimize this, so it will just be here. If you want to remove this, let's see if it gets removed like that. No. Okay, yeah, so just long press and there is a remove button, or else if you're on this screen you can just press here. And if you want to just like take it down to the bottom, push it to the to the top, not the bottom, push it to the top, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This is the bottom of the screen, and just swipe up, and this is how it looks. So yeah, this is also a good new add-on for the Nothing OS 3 Open Beta 1. So guys, that was it for the Nothing OS 3 Open Beta 1, which is based on Android 15, and these were all the features and new stuff. If I have missed something, I'm really sorry, but I have linked you a forum post, or it's some kind of an announcement, I don't know, but that has all the features which are included in the Nothing OS Open Beta for the version 3, which is based on Android 15. And yep, that was it. If you want to install this, just go the link is down below in the description. Install the APK, go into settings. Also make sure you're on the latest Nothing OS Android 14. Sorry, not the about phone. Go to system, and you will find this update to beta version. After opening this, you will get that update. You can also, if not, you can check, and you will find that there will be an update, and you can easily upgrade it. So that is just a simple thing. Also, if you want to roll back into the Android 14 again after trying the open beta, you will have to take a backup of all your data on the internal storage, because rolling back I'm really sorry about that, rolling back feature will wipe your data. So yeah, just make sure you have that in mind before trying this one out. If you don't want to go through that first, you have this video, you can check if it's really urgent and really necessary for you to update to the open beta 1. If not, it's a good go with Android 14. The 3.0 stable will be out in a few months, hopefully, for the Nothing Phone 1. So let's hope on that. And with that, goodbye guys, see you guys soon. Bye bye.